You're on stage, you're about to go for that big kalimba solo, and you wish you had a pickup on your kalimba. I think I have the solution. I've been sent a Vangoa 17-note kalimba. Now, I've reviewed kalimbas before. The thing that makes this a bit special is it's got a pickup. So let's get straight on and open it up. So what do we have? We have the kalimba in a lovely little bag. We have two thumb protectors, although I'm not sure how useful these really are because they just make it harder to get at the keys, and you can't really use your nails. I think you need to use nails for kalimba, but hey. A soft bag for the kalimba once we take it out of its case, a strap for the bag, tuning hammer, very nicely made, lovely little wooden handle. Stickers. I've never understood why you need stickers for a kalimba when it actually says the names of the notes on the thing, and if you put the stickers on the tines, is it going to affect the tone? I don't know. I personally wouldn't use those, but they're there. A book of basic instruction telling you to download a tuner, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to use the tuner I normally use for guitar. And a basic course. It tells you a little bit how to play the kalimba. This is a little bit generic in that it talks about 17 key, 15 key, 10 key, and bit of technique, and then some tunes to play with sort of, do they call it K-tab, did I see? I think they might call it K-tab. K-tabs. Guitar tab for kalimba. And they've got single melody, You Are My Sunshine, and then a more involved part 1 and part 2, You Are My Sunshine. Don't know whether that's for two people or whether that's part 1 and part 2 the same song, I don't know. But most importantly, the pickup, and I don't see anything in the instructions on where that pickup should be attached, so that could be interesting. So let's have a look what we've got here. One kalimba, and first impressions are very good. This one has binding around it. It seems to be very well made. I think they're laminated sides, judging by the seams here. It's lovely and smooth, no rough edges even around the sound hole. And of course there's 2 extra notes. Very nice. Now there's no indication where to put the pickup, so I'm wondering how's best to do this. Should I put the pickup in the middle there? Let's see how the tuning is first. One thing to note is that you get a much stronger note when it's against the work surface. However, the back isn't absolutely flat, so it rocks a little bit, and so you get a vibration, which is a shame. Maybe if I just angle it. Yeah, so maybe not for performance, but it certainly, I think, will help with the tuning. Hopefully you can see my little clear tune app. It'll just give us a stronger note for tuning. That's very close, within a couple of cents, i.e. spot on. Actually might be reducing the sustain because we're getting more energy out. Yeah, actually it's easier not to have it against the work surface because you get more sustain. Look at that, that's spot on. Just run through these. bit sharp? Yeah, some of the higher notes are a little bit sharp. Must be very difficult to tune the high notes. Should I attempt to tune them? Come back, phone. This is tricky to do. Let me lay my phone on this, and hopefully you can still see. No. I would say that is pretty good. I wonder if the top note is genuinely 10 cents sharp. Let's try flattening it a little bit. So a longer tine will be a lower frequency. So here goes. Let's see if we can lower this a little bit. Yeah, we've lowered that 2 cents. No, it's a little bit too low, so let's just tap it back up again. Yeah. Well, it's up to you how much time you spend tuning this, but it's pretty much in tune. I don't think you need to spend much time at all tuning it. Right, I'm going to attach the pickup. I think I'm going to put it here. But I could believe that there'll be a bit of finger noise with it there. I think actually the best place for the pickup is probably inside, seeing as it will go through the sound hole just. It's exactly the same size as the sound hole. I would imagine the best place is just here. There's a very large brace under here, by the way, but there's room for the pickup just in front of that brace. But I might take advice on that. For now, I'm going to put it on the back, and because this is the 3M sticky stuff, it would be a very permanent attachment if I peeled back the 3M gooey stuff. There is a name for that, the stuff they use for this. It's a very, very strong adhesive. So I'm going to show you a luthier trick that means we can temporarily attach it to the back and see what it sounds like. And that's using masking tape and super glue. So I'm going to get a small little piece of masking tape, burnish it down, another piece of backing tape, another piece of masking tape on the pickup. Actually, is that going to... No, that's not adhering at all well, unsurprisingly. I've made the decision that I'm going to fix this directly onto that with super glue because the masking tape just isn't even close to any sort of bond on there, which may mean that the super glue won't bond either. Well, let's give it a go. You want to just put one small drop of super glue on here, otherwise there's a chance it may spread out all over and get on the pickup and the Kalimba. And wait. Maybe worth pointing out that the pickup is a 1/4 inch jack socket. They supply Velcro, and I think the Velcro is for attaching it to the Kalimba. I don't think you could use the Velcro to attach the pickup itself because it wouldn't be a good acoustic bond. Right, performance time. Let's see if we can do this without Kalimba face. Or maybe with. That's it. Let me know what you think of my little Kalimba, and we'll see you in the next video.